Hey guys, welcome back to another installation of What's in the Box.
Zach, what's in the box today?
Today we're bringing you the Q AK0, our zero gauge amp kit. It is a copper-clad aluminum kit. You may have seen out on the market OFC, which stands for oxygen-free copper, and also CCA, which stands for copper-clad aluminum. Let's discuss a little bit of what comes in your aught gauge kit. It comes with 17 foot of RCA wire. This is OFC. It comes with 17 foot of Q-Flex aught gauge power wire. It is pre-terminated, so don't have to worry about that. It also comes with 3 foot of black aught gauge that is also pre-terminated. 3 foot's about what we suggest. You can cut it shorter if you need to. Make sure you connect this to a solid ground on the vehicle. If there's paint, make sure you sand it. It also comes with all these little goodies if you have to terminate other things. Some people have asked what this is for. If you have to drill a hole in your firewall, please put this in there or some other kind of grommet. It will save you a headache and possibly some fire. Who knows? We got 17 foot of 12 gauge speaker wire, fuse block. What kind of fuse is in here?
A 250 amp A&L fuse.
250 amps. And last but not least, we have this little guy. This is your remote turn on. You're gonna run it straight to your amplifier. You can run this to any accessory on wire in your vehicle. For more information about this amp kit and other products, head on over to soundcube.com.
And make sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. And thanks for tuning in, guys.
Thanks for tuning in to the first episode of What's in the Box. And if you want to win this here amplifier kit, head over to youtube.com/SoundCubeTV. Find this video, we'll post a link, and like and comment on it, and you'll be automatically entered to win. We'll announce the winner next week at the end of next week's episode. Thanks for tuning in.